Guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my weekly anti-aging skincare tools and skincare treatment add-ons routine. Now all of these things are not set in stone, as I tend to reach for whatever my skin needs at that particular moment. However, this is the general routine I try to stick to on a weekly basis to help my skin stay feeling and looking nourished, firm, fresh and hydrated. So let's start off with Monday and something I've used for a good few years, and that's the Foreo Lunar Mini 3. I use this every morning apart from on the mornings after I've derma rolled the night before. And I find the Foreo Lunar device works best with a gel cleanser. This just helps my skin to feel super clean and prepped, ready for the rest of my AM skincare products. Now at night, most Mondays I enjoy doing a clay mask to draw out any impurities, and I find this especially beneficial to do around that time of the month. However, this isn't set in stone, as some weeks I feel like my skin doesn't need something as detoxifying, but I do generally do this most weeks. Once a week, generally on a Tuesday morning, I will use a face razor to get rid of any excess peach fuzz, gently exfoliate, and overall this just helps my makeup go on better because the skin is smoother and fuzz free. Then Tuesday evenings are also reserved for derma rollering. I've been doing this for a good few years now, and I love how my skincare is absorbed and works more efficiently, and it really does rejuvenate and help my skin look more plumper, as well as keeping any fine lines at bay. I've also had extra baby hairs appear around my hairline, which is nice. So I do take the derma roller up into the hair as well. Afterwards, I usually use something gentle like a hyaluronic acid serum to re-infuse my skin with moisture. And then to sanitize the tool, I spray it with surgical spirit. Wednesday morning is where I skip using my Lunar Mini 3 as I've derma rolled the night before. But instead, one thing I have been doing in the morning as of late is popping my crystal roller in the fridge to use with my serum or moisturizer, as well as just to use first thing in the morning or whenever I need it throughout the day. This always feels so nice to do to depuff and wake up my skin, and it's been great to use right now in the summer because it has been very humid and hot. Wednesday evenings, I really enjoy doing some facial massage using one of my favourite facial oils and a gua sha tool. This helps to keep my skin looking firm, glowy and plump. And I have spoken about a few women I follow on Instagram and TikTok who have amazing videos on specific gua sha techniques that I like to follow. I will link all their profiles down in the description bar if you want to find out more. So moving on to Thursday, I use my Foreo Lunar Mini 3 again in the morning, as well as the Foreo Bear to help lift and tighten the skin. I generally use this in conjunction with either a serum or some of the leftover serum from a Smart Mask sachet I've used with the UFO 2. And then at night, I will do my second lot of derma rollering again. So I will derma roller twice a week. Friday is my pamper night, and I will usually have a bath if it's not too hot. And then generally I really like doing a sheet mask on this night or trying out something new. This evening I decided to test out this amazing sheet mask from a brand called Zit Sticker. This is an exfoliating sheet mask specifically targeted to smooth uneven texture, soothe breakouts and unclog pores. And I have to say, my skin really did feel so smooth and soft afterwards. Then another product from Zit Sticker that I used was one of their dark spot clarifying patches. These seem really interesting. What they do is help to dilute darkening caused by a spot afterwards, thanks to their powerhouse of ingredients that is infused in the micro dart. I will keep you updated on both of these products, as I do need to to test them out some more. Then moving on to Saturday morning, as well as using my cleansing device, I like to add in the Foreo Bear again. And in the PM, I will use my Foreo UFO 2 with whatever smart mask my skin craves at that moment in time. But I will also customize my treatment, and instead of using the specific treatment plan they give you on the app, I will just use the smart mask and the red LED light teamed with either the cryo or thermotherapy, just to help boost collagen and target fine lines and wrinkles. Finally, Sunday nights I like to finish with a newer type of facial massage I've been learning, and this is facial reflexology using an acupressure pen. I picked these two metal pens up from Amazon, and as I mentioned, I am very new to this concept, but what this does is target different points on the face to help with different points on the body. Again, the ladies I follow for the gua sha tips and techniques also create really informative videos on Instagram on this subject too, so I will always work with what concern I have at that moment and find a suitable video for this point on the body. But if you do want to know more, I will have, of course, all of their social media handles down below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. I hope you all have a great start to the week, and I will see you then. Take care guys, bye.